I was shocked how fast they grew after this. I tried it as a little experiment, and overnight, my plants went from struggling to full of life. No special fertilizer, no expensive product, just one cheap trick I never expected to work this well: sugar water. In this video, you are going to learn how to use sugar water the right way, in tiny amounts to give your young plants a real boost. This is not a myth or garden rumor. I'll show you exactly how I did it and how you can do it too. Plants create their sugar through sunlight and photosynthesis. But when they're young or weak, they sometimes need a little extra energy. A small amount of sugar water can act like a natural energy drink, helping roots grow deeper, leaves stay greener, and stems get stronger. But here's the catch: too much sugar can cause more harm than good. That's why it's so important to follow the exact steps I'm about to share. If you pour sugar water carelessly or too often, your plants could wilt or develop mold in the soil. This method only works when done in small amounts and at the right time. Keep watching because I'll show you the safest way to do it with the best results. Take 1 teaspoon of regular white sugar and dissolve it into 2 cups of room temperature water. Stir until it's completely clear. Make sure the soil is already moist. This should not be used on dry soil. Pour a small amount of the sugar water directly at the base of the plant near the roots. Do this in the early morning when the plant is ready to take in nutrients. Use this only once a week for about 2 to 3 weeks. This works best for seedlings, plants that were just transplanted, or ones that look tired or slow. Do not use it on mature, healthy plants. They do not need this boost and may get too much sugar. But here's the part no one told me, and this changed everything. I compared 2 of the same plants side by side, and the one with sugar water grew faster, taller, and stronger within just a few days. The difference was clear. In just a few days, you may see new leaves forming, stronger stems, and better color. It's like watching time-lapse footage in real life. Your plant may go from slow and sleepy to full of energy almost overnight. This is especially helpful after transplant shock or a rough heat wave. It will not replace sunlight or water, but it can give your plant the gentle boost it needs to thrive. A few extra tips to make this even more effective: always use the sugar water early in the day. Use it only once a week, no more. Try it on warm days, not during cold snaps. And never use brown sugar or syrup stick with plain white sugar for the cleanest results. And the craziest part? It even revived a tomato seedling I had completely given up on. 1 little dose, and it bounced back stronger than ever. Sometimes all a plant needs is the right kind of energy at the right time. Sugar water is not magic, but when used correctly, it sure feels close. Try it with care, and you might be surprised by how fast your plants respond. Just remember, small dose, moist soil, and once a week. If you try this sugar water trick, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I love hearing your stories. And if this helped, be sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a friend who loves plants.